Nu-Calgon is dedicated to providing top quality products for the food service industry. Our ice machine cleaners and sanitizers are specially formulated to keep your ice machines running smoothly and producing clean, safe ice. Nu-Calgon's family of ice machine cleaners and sanitizer are time-tested and safe for use in food processing areas. These NSF-registered, highly concentrated, fast-acting cleaners are tough on scale, reacting quickly to dissolve it. Liquid ice machine cleaner is perfect for general use. And OEM-approved nickel-safe ice machine cleaner is safe to use on equipment with nickel or tin-plated evaporators. Simply follow the easy-to-use instructions on the label, and you'll have a cleaner, more efficient ice machine in no time. Protect your investment and ensure your ice machine operates at peak performance with Nu-Calgon's nickel-safe or liquid ice machine cleaner. Once your ice machine has been descaled with cleaners, it's just as important to sanitize it. Nu-Calgon's IMS-lll sanitizing concentrate is an OEM-approved sanitizer that eliminates harmful bacteria, slime, odors, and other contaminants in your ice machine. This OEM-approved sanitizer will keep your machine cleaner, your customers safer, and ensure a high-quality food service experience. Nu-Calgon, your trusted partner for superior ice machine maintenance. Visit our website or contact your local distributor to get these incredible products today.